Now, we're talking about some muggy conditions outside. Is that right? A little bit of rain?
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's a big change from this weekend because it was sunny and it was nice, but it wasn't humid on Saturday. Felt a little muggier yesterday, but we still had a lot of dry air in place as this next system was rolling in. And now the atmosphere is just completely saturated, which is why we have all of these spotty showers throughout central Indiana. Good news is there's really not a lot of lightning strikes, so I'm going to call this mainly just rain instead of storms. Let's take you on a tour throughout central Indiana as far as where we're starting to see some of those more widespread rain showers falling. This is from Lebanon up the 65 corridor, taking us to Lafayette. Rain is coming down heavy at times all the way through this northern extent of the state from Kokomo up toward Peru. We'll take a step over on the eastern side of the state. Same deal from Connorsville up through Wayne County. We head into Randolph County. Spotty showers in the Muncie area right now as well. And this is all lifting off to the north along this larger storm system. We've got this area of low pressure that's situated right here over Missouri. And you can kind of see that counterclockwise rotation of all of this moisture in the cloud cover. And what's happening here is all of these storms are getting fueled by the same storm system that's pushing this moisture into central Indiana. And it's all coming from the Gulf of Mexico. So this is kind of that ideal setup to bring in essentially a conveyor belt of moisture into central Indiana. And the problem is this area of low pressure, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay stationary over the next several days. So the pattern we have going on out there right now, same pattern tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. It doesn't really look like it's going to move until about Friday. So same setup as we get into the afternoon today and into the next several days as well. 80 by 3 p.m. We're up to around 82 for the 5 o'clock hour. That'll be our daytime high today. And we're going to stay warm and muggy even into the evening tonight. Now, rain showers are going to become further and far between. It's not going to be very widespread over the next several hours. In fact, I think we're still going to get in on quite a bit of dry time over the next several hours going through the afternoon. This is at 6 p.m. And then on into the evening tonight. Not going to rule out one of those spotty storms in your neighborhood, but overall, the coverage area isn't going to be quite as widespread as it has been so far today. Let's take you on into tomorrow because we've got, again, a pretty similar setup. We start off near 70 and then we end up back into the lower 80s with another round of these spotty storms. We'll pause here as we get into around 10 o'clock in the morning. This first wave of rain is going to lift through and then we get a little dry time in the afternoon. Spotty storms going to redevelop later in the day on Tuesday. Here's 10 p.m. Same deal on Wednesday. We get the day started on a dry note. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms develop with the heat of the day. Same deals we look ahead as far as our mugginess goes. We're going to be right there near that miserable line all week long with dew point temperatures staying up near 70 degrees. Actual air temperatures in the lower 80s. Spotty storms on Friday as the system starts to depart. And I think we're going to see a lot more dry time Saturday as we heat up to 87 with some more dry weather to start next week.